This time and this build is all about you. It's about the camaraderie and just learning new things and working on a bike, taking it apart, working on the design, the colors, choosing everything about it. And then we'll be presenting it on stage where we're gonna raffle it to a veteran at Rot Rally. So this is gonna be a big deal. We'll start, we'll take the seat off, we'll start taking fenders off, we'll take the tank off, the handlebars, we'll work on the top, work our way down and start removing parts. Basically, everything comes off this bike. Anything that we can keep, we're gonna powder coat and we're gonna clean it up, restore it, make it look like new, and then we're gonna add new parts. And every piece that we put on it is going to give character to the bike. Heads shaking.
Let's tear it apart.
You guys ready to tear it apart? Okay. No.
P-51 Mustangs.
Well, don't ask if you don't want to.
Ask 10 guys. We're not going to put a guy in the tank, all right? Yeah, we're talking shit.
Was a sergeant with Medevac for 11 years. Left the service about 3 years ago and been looking forward to turning wrenches with them again.
This has been one of the most fun things I've gotten to do. We all look forward to coming here and working together and learning about motorcycles.
It's nice to meet other veterans and unite behind a common goal of working on a motorcycle for a good cause.
Keep it down in the back.
Sorry, gosh.
I've been working on cars and motorcycles my whole life, and it's good to be here hanging out with a bunch of salty bastards and building a bike.
I'm here to lend a hand. I'm full mechanical specialist. These guys make sure that things are getting done. I'm there to help them get it done. It's team effort.
I'm really involved with the Rot Rally, and I found out Crystal was doing this project. To me, it's just another thing that these guys are doing to give back.
Okay, and it's in neutral?
Yep.
We are going to present to you what we've been working so hard at for the last 3 months. So take it away, guys. We just revealed it and we couldn't be happier with the results. We literally bolted on the last piece last night at Ikawa. I guess it was this morning at 12:30 a.m.
I'm one of the founders of the Republic of Texas Biker Rally, commonly called the Rot Rally. I, in fact, have donated my bike for this project. I feel like I owe something, and this is my way of showing my appreciation for those that do serve.
The guys are very proud of how it came out. Jerry, when he first saw it last weekend at the reveal at Cowboy Harley-Davidson, couldn't believe his eyes. He had no idea what to expect. When we raffle this off to another veteran, they're not going to be the only ones that won. I mean, the veterans that were in this program found them all, forming a brotherhood that wouldn't have otherwise been there if it wasn't for Rot Rally including us in this project.